When a resident is first admitted to us, we have a lot of documents that need signing or to be looking through, and one of them is a consent form. So it's got all different things that we ask the resident and the family their consent for. So it can be a little thing such as ordering medication, up to putting pictures on Facebook, even putting a photograph on their door. We still need consent for that. So we give that to the family. If the resident's got capacity, the resident is able to sign it themselves. If not, the family will act in their best interest and they will say yes or no for a lot of things. You know, I wouldn't want things of myself shared or my family shared unless I've consented to that. You know, I think we need to protect those closest to us. And I think if you didn't, so many people could get into your personal data for fraud, really.
We need to make sure that we are working within guidelines, within legislation, making sure that we are keeping vulnerable people safe. Sharing their information, it could end in absolute disaster. So, yeah, I mean, from a legal point of view, but also, from a sort of moral point of view, keeping information safe is absolutely crucial. So we have to have those policies so that everybody knows what they need to be doing to keep vulnerable clients safe.
A lot of family members and service users can find it quite out of the ordinary, and they want to keep with the paper, but we just have to encourage them that, and show them the benefits of electronic care planning systems. On the initial assessment, it's one of the questions that we'd ask, whether they consent to the family member having access to the care notes. So if they say yes, they have to sign for it, and then the family member that they've consented to can then access the care notes from wherever. Obviously, if the service user says no, then the family member's got no way of overriding that, and they can only see the care notes when in the home if the service user allows them to.